Testing, testing. Tell me about the day the world went blue.
It was terrifying.
I wasn't scared at all. Zombie apocalypse!
It all happened on the day of ContainerCon. And we had a plan. Find Trev Smith.
Looks like a turd muffin.
You can't say that.
He does.
He is the buyer for all of Daily Organic Grocery, aka our ticket to 2 million sales.
Oh. Hi, Mom. I'm
Mac and cheese for dinner.
Yo.
sorry. I'm not gonna be home for dinner.
Active.
tonight.
Yo, active, bro. Why pray everything good?
Marie and I set up the booth.
Mary, so we have FOMC today. I'm sure I'll go and play chats though. Yo, I market a treat and today a Friday in a chat, like today a last day of the week, bro. See if we just close off, see if we just end off this week strong, bro. That would be good. As I can see today a Friday. Monday. Before that on Monday we get a W. Before that on Tuesday we get another dub. I think Wednesday was break even, as I can see. Yeah, on Thursday we get another dub. So it's like today a Friday. If we can forward and just end off today strong, that would be a good week, chat. You see me, but we can't call it too early cause we not trade it, you see it. But if today will be a good day, I swear, bro. That would be a 2-week win streak. 2 weeks without lose a trade. If we get a win today. So, you know, I just do the right thing. Hold on, let me see what's going on. So, yeah, I just do the right thing, chat. Follow the plan, you see me? We not chase no move. Do the same thing we do every day. And see if we can secure a win. And end off a week strong, you know. But the daily can go still in our range though. Just like yesterday. We not get no breakout. I never expect a breakout still, cause I'm telling you we don't have no liquidity. So we would expect price to break out. But chat, guess what? I'm so forward cause we start 8. We're gonna start stream we're gonna start stream 8 o'clock. You see me in our next 30 minutes at 7:33 I know. So in our next 30 minutes chat, we're gonna start stream. You see me? Just did that yelling up. Just that yelling up for now. And I think today we'll probably have like FOMC today or something like so. I'm not sure. But today I expect goal should move a lot today. Not gonna lie. But as I said, chat, give me like 30 minutes. In the next 30 minutes we're gonna start stream, you see me? Cause at 7:30 I know. And we're gonna start at 8. Alright, as I'm saying. Yeah, chat. So give me like in the next 30 minutes I forward back and we'll jump straight into it, you see me? So me a forward chat, give me 30 minutes. Yo, yo, yo. There about chat. Hold on there, give me a second. And when we have news 8:30. Hold on, I see some. I'm making mic sound like it a fry. Mic sound like it a fry, do chat. Alright, background music. Hold on, chat. I see. I'm looking for Danvo live. I see if Dan the live chat. Yeah, dog, live.
Anyways, chat, good morning.
Yeah, I think today we have news at 8:30. NFP, we have NFP today 8:30. Side out the live. But I'm a mentor this chat, and then man I'm learn everything from, like everything I know about trading and him learning from.
Gives us today, man. We'll see what we can do, okay? But yeah, there's no NFP today. The next like major folder that we have is Thursday, core CPI. That's even 10 to the 2. It's still U.S. government shutdown, right? So they still fucking everyone up. But core PPI intensive as well, so we don't have that. Yeah, so next week you have no red folders, really. No red folders next week. On Monday, CAD, no red folders.
Hopefully that not too loud.
Wednesday, FOC meeting minutes at 2. Unemployment claims on Thursday, 8:30, I guess. That's the next folder. So yeah, it's near end of the month, man. Yeah, I don't know how long this government shutdown is gonna last.
But somebody text me and ask me, oh, my trade NFP.
So yeah, next week.
Man, show you.
We got much going on. Even had FOMC on what was it, last Wednesday?
Hold on.
Was it last Wednesday? I think it was. But yeah, there's like no folders for the next 2 weeks, so no. I mean, we'll hop on the chart, see what's up here, okay? See what we can do today. It looks like it's still in the range though, so I thought we would have broken out yesterday or the day before, or the Monday actually, but you didn't. You're still in this range here, which is still like tradable.
No folders for the next 2 weeks. So dog, I gotta do the analysis.
1,100 pips, right? So it's pretty like
I was still in that range. No.
Yesterday we never break out our range shot, but I'm mute him. So we are running through our analysis though chat. Just they just say like what type of folder you forward out. So yeah, we just jump straight into it. Let me load up a pen.
So I same thing like when I say chat, like when I fall by chance this morning, I notice say yo was still in a range. Yesterday bullish candle never break out. So I same range where I trade from Wednesday till now. You see me? I'm sure you see it up on your daily time frame. Remember yesterday me telling you say yo, even from this daily candle print, me telling you say yo we have like a low right here, so like a support level right here, so or even a little bit higher, and we have like a resistance right here, so you see me? This was yesterday bullish candle. We closed in our midline range and we push up, but after we tap like the top of the range, we reject and close bullish back into the range. So yesterday we never break out either, and today we're in at the same range as my chat. So as I'm saying, this is the same range where we are trade from Wednesday. So the analysis we have from our long are basically like the same idea. Yes, my chat. Like the same idea. Price now have no liquidity. We now have liquidity, so it's like we not look for no breakout. We look for a trade within the range. Yes, make a range big enough for trade. But yeah, yo. Let me delete them. At what time? 8:24 is a chat. We have news in the next 6 minutes. We have news in the next 6 minutes, chat. So I'm gonna just go over this quick and fast and mark up my levels and explain everything to you still, but hold on there. Just want to have them a mark up, so if news forward out, we already know what we are looking for, you see. Alright, so in our range, let me see how much I'll be able to play the range. So we have a high right here, so launch up. We have a high right here, so we have a support level right here, so at 39.79.56. I drop down to the 4-hour time frame. The 4-hour time frame currently bearish at the moment. 35 minutes left. Alright, so look. Let me see how the daily look. Oh, this is the daily candle flip at 39.79 too. Alright, chat. So look. You see if this we have structure on the way down already. Chat at the 4-hour time frame, I look on it, see me, and I say, yo, if news followed up, if we, first of all, if we close below and news followed up and we print a high, news followed up, open up and the candle push up first and print a high and then flip back bearish. We could have looked for sales going down, chat, but may just drop down to the hourly time frame because I want to see if this 4-hour candle print structure on the way down, you see me, because if we don't have no structure on the way down, then we would stay out of that. So let me see. Hold on, this is the 4-hour candle high, so the 4-hour candle low. Let me turn back down this track. I remember me turn up the volume. Let me turn it back down. But right here, so. It's like I same idea we have. Rachel, as I say, I them money I'm learning everything from. Everything I know about trading, I them money I'm learning from. True, today at NFP, it had a live stream on YouTube, but it had live stream in a DVS 101. But on like news days, it normally forward on YouTube and stream back. But yeah. I watch him stream though, that's why I say me have you up, because I watch him stream. As I say, I him teach me everything I know. You see me? So after I done trade, I watch him stream, bro. Yeah, chat, it all gotta drop a video. It all gotta drop a like a hourly long video, or I think it's a, I don't even know. I don't even remember how long the video is, but it's like it over an hour for sure. And it's like I hit my watch, and it's like when I watch it, I implement like some new things to my strategy. Cause you see where me a trade now, and I see him where me did a trade like back then. So it's like whenever I want implement or adjust, I like watch him and like learn from him. But chat, we have 2 minutes left. We'll start up with candles them. Me say yo, me I expect a high. So within these 2 minutes, if we can print a lower high chat, break the 4-hour candle low, 39.91, we probably can get some sales below yes so chat. Probably can get some sales on the rebreak of this candle low. This 30-minute candle low. I think that's also the 4-hour candle low as well. Yeah. So if that for happen chat, want to see your news I go forward out. Canadian news. But chat, let us try end off week strong. Just I see, you talk about unemployment. Yeah, we have that at 8:30. But Anna, this me a trade. Anna CAD me a trade gold and USD. All the gold alone me trade, man. But we'll see how news forward out chat. Today might be a quick day. I'm see if the link back. Chat, idea me have chat, me just basically a wait, like, me I look for something now for the rebreak of the lows, you see me? But it depends on how we fall down to the rebreak of the lows. But before me enter on a trade though, me I wait till the news forward out. And then we take advantage of like the leftover volume for news. Dark deal active. We have last day. Yeah, chat. As I said, today might be like a quick day, you see me? Yesterday, or not even yesterday, but the whole entire week, bro. Just look. This is why a journal important. It's like I can look up my trades them for like the whole entire week. So them yeah, I trader we take so far. We take 4 trades already. Take 1 trade a day. And it's like if you look on the time when we get trade, like the time when we get entry. Monday, we get an entry at 10:40 in the morning. And Tuesday, we get an entry 10:39. Wednesday, we get an entry 10:40. Thursday, we get an entry 10:35. So you see like a little trend there. So it's like we get entry like 10:40 then time there, that morning. But I don't know. Today might be different though, chat. Today might be different. We'll rather get an entry around 9 o'clock. Or probably soon. Probably like 8:55 or 8:50. But let's see though. We'll see if gold can move. We can move so far still. Today last day chat, we'll make sure I try my best to end off a week strong. You see me? Today Friday, bro. Today a Friday, so it's like we can't form out today. And make sure follow a plan to your tea, you see me? Can imagine form up on a Friday. That rough. So far down and we top. So chat, remember me telling you, we have a level right as at 39.90, but me not look for sales just yet because this 30-minute candle it open up and it just pop straight down. So remember me telling you, it depends on how far down. If me I look for sales below here, so I want to see structure get print. Like this 30-minute candle, print a top wick, forward back, flip back bearish, and print like lower highs on the way down towards the rebreak of the lows. If that happen, then would I look for enter sales. You created that spreadsheet? Yeah, bro. Created from scratch, bro. It easy. Somebody on Instagram did ask me how me do it, but it's like me can't text out how me do it. So it's like if I dip on my stream, me can easily show you. You see me? So it's like a Google spreadsheet this a Google spreadsheet, you see me? I just put date, time, session, pair. Like you'd write it right, so you'd get a clean page. You get a clean page. You'd get a clean page and you'd write it right, so you see me? You'd write date, time, session, and everything. And forget to line them like how me do. You'd go so you'd like draw this to the right, and then you'd click on this look. You'd click on borders, and then you'd add the border them. All borders, you see me? And you see you get the border them, and then you would draw this down so, and click on borders again. Add some borders over here so too, and then you would draw this. You see me? You would create like a box. You'd create like a box and add like the borders them, and then you just keep border everything, bro. I take time. You see me? Take time. You see me? And you just fill out everything, go straight up to the top, and then you write in the information them where you want to keep track of, like the date, what day you take a trade, the time you take a trade, what session, the pair, whether you take buy or sell, your entry type, your setup type, your time frame, your win or you lose, how much pips you win or how much pips you lose. And I calculate my max drawdown chat. Like if I enter a trade and you trade in a drawdown, me keep track of my max drawdown. Me keep track of my drawdown trade. Last week Monday, the first trade we take, we go in 109 pip drawdown, and we end up make 54 pips off of that trade. We end up still winning trade. Price push back in a full direction. But that did a last week Monday though. I don't remember yesterday. when me take a trade on a stream and we go in a drawdown. No, this is not yesterday. This is a day before yesterday. We're going a 75 pip drawdown, and then price push back in our direction, and we hit break even, and it just continue to push. But yeah, it's easy for build, bro. Easy for build. But it's like when people that ask me on Instagram, I can't text out, you see, I can't text so much information. It's easier for me just show up on the live stream. Live Capital, bro. I have a live account. I not trade funded. Funded account a joke, bro. To me still. I really like funded. Hold on, I'm hear what goat I say.
What price comes?
Me hear dog I say.
Yeah, so I'm gonna leave that there. And then I'm gonna redo it here. So 37 74.
Now I'm gonna pause this.
37 74. Cool. So 3774,
Oh, I can't hear nothing.
A3,
I'm try to connect my
1125.
headphone. Oh,
You know what would be cool if you sync your trainer view and your MT5s? When you do it on trainer view, it just goes right to MT5.
that's just a mark of pain levels and
4025. Alright, cool. So yeah, I'll leave that for now. And then we'll see what we can grab. Alright. Yes, NFP is cancelled.
feeler. You can send it or sell it. No, more I send it for free, bro. More to sell it, bro. But this are the thing, I don't know how I send it though. Oh, share? Yeah, that hit share. I never like share this before. I forget a name. I don't do that right now still. So I'm gonna see what we flip that good. We print a low or high. Can we close below the range shot? Close below 91. That would be decent. The measure range I have going down. This hour. At like 60 pips. That not bad. The chat watches when I adjust the level up some more. Put that right there, so. Chat, basically, you see level where I mark up, basically the next support level. Like say yo, if price for break 39.91, like with next destination would have be 39.87. Like so like this matter about it's at 39.91.90. This at 39.87. So if we break this candle low, would I say yo we next destination like price should be able to tap this level and then we get some reaction. You see me? So if we get entry chat with a lot of text cells go down towards this, let me see measure that. That's like a 44 pip range. And we have clean range going down too. Or probably not really, cause you see them levels I'm showing you. My extend like this line like to the left. I draw it more to the left, so it's like put it on the lower them. So this how I just see chat. It's like so say we are gonna take cells below this yellow line. It's like once we break below the yellow line, we have them two rejection right, so we have rejection right as in a midline range. We have like couple rejections in a midline range, you see me? So it's like, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm not gonna take cells pan the rebreak of the low, which would be right so. I'm wait for price, rebreak its lows, tap this level, and then print structure on its way up, and then once you push back down for close back below it for the second time, then would I look for take cells chart for go down. So I look for cells below 39.97. And as I'm saying, a reason for that because we have rejection in the middle of this arranger. So probably this range and the best range for use. So we are just use the range below that. You see me? I'm gonna go back to like current price. So you see this are rebreak at the lows. We now look for the sales on the rebreak at the lows. May I see if price can rebreak this low, push down towards right or so. And then we start get some reaction. Like something like this. It's like our price printer low, we start for reject. If price push back down and close below, that would have been decent. Would have wait for price fill the range, and after price fill the range and top 97, not 97, 87, 39, 87, then would have look for sells below, like we have look for sells below 39, 87 for continue down towards the range fill. Here's my chat. That idea behind sales. And for the buys them, me not have no buys idea. Me not no buy idea just yet. I need to see like structure get print, and I need to see they can go close above the range. So buy idea them. We don't really have buy idea just yet. Feeler. Hopefully my stream not get copyright, bro. I don't feel like done for a copyright nobody still. All it can go flip. Would I rather wait for a closure below range 2 chat. I rather wait for a closure below range 2 because it's like below range 2 would be better. So it's like this would be range 1. If price close below range 1, would I wait for like if price close below range 1, would I wait for like push down, reject, and if we fall back down for the second time and close below range 2, then that would have been my entry chat. Cause it's like it's a range 1, we have like a bunch of rejection to the left, so we might fall down, break, and we tap like in at the middle of the range, and then we push straight back up. You see my chat, so that me I try avoid. Cause when you look left, you see like multiple times in a pass price like just tap in a middle of range, and then it reject. It even fill the entire range. So that's why I just add like an extra confirmation and wait for like a range 2 breakout instead of range 1 breakout.
So it must have been a good trade. I think it was your first stream? Oh, word. Yeah, somewhere around there. Like, I remember this whole... This is on MacBooks, though. All of that was on the MacBook. Do you think the Discord's back up? It's back up. It's back up. Do you apply IC concept in your playbook? No.
ITC.
I mean, I probably do in some way, some form.
When
like,
I ask about ITC concept, them money not
is
use
the
nothing
leg
like
candle
that.
somehow is the leg candle market structure? If the leg candle's market structure, then isn't the leg candle is there market structure implemented in ICT?
You apply ICT concept in your playbook.
It's all the same thing. I think everyone has the same strategy in different ways. GG shows killing my soul. I heard like the new Ken song. I haven't listened to music in Ken like.
Oh, focus. So try look like we get a closure below after the 15. 15 close below. This 30-minute candle got 12 minutes left until we get a closure though. We didn't even re-break the lows yet. Joke thing. Think we'd have re-break the lows already. and play back your music chat. That's probably too loud. More, I go find like a rap playlist where when I copyrighted, so I can like play that. Other music are lame. But if I play regular music, I get copyright though and stream I get. Then I take the stream. Once a channel get 3 strike, you're out. You see me? I think I already have about 2 strike already. The most can find like rap music when I copyright. I search for them and build like a playlist. Build a mad playlist to play on stream. Notice a player rejection we are find a level here. Fall down to the bottom of my range, but hold on. That could definitely be the high, you know. It could be the high track, but I would have to wait before me confirm it though. But this right here, so track. This right here, so could definitely be the high for the day, bro. And we are gonna push straight back down with structure. So once if this current candle can like flip bearish, break the lows, that would have be good. Anything below here, some would have look for sells. We go down. Down to at least right here, so.
Yo, chat. May I go for my charger? May I go for my charger and forward? Give me a second. Hold on, let me see some. I'm gonna put them as a high. Let me see how 1 minute look. Alright, chat. May I forward? I mean buy from earlier. From earlier, which level? Which level you enter buy from? 39.91. Like the week right here, right, Asa? Are you talking London station? London station you talk, bro? Are you just enter buys? London session you talk, bro? Are you just enter buys? Oh man, see if that did all work. Hold on. I'm gonna see some chat. Give me a second. I'm gonna check this. Put that down. Probably too loud. Let me hear that sound. Not good there, so. The red wick. Oh, nice entry, bro. Nice entry. I mean, your entry right here, so. Where your stops, they do, like, where I go for 1 to 2. I go for like a 1 to 2 interference right here, so. Bet you got your stops on this low. I'm not sure. Just a guess. You have your stops at 39.85. Your TP. Would I guess your TP all the way up there, so. I bet any money. Or something like that, you go for though. If it fails to break the high again, may I go break even. Hey, double risk management, bro. That's what you call risk management. That's smart. If we break the high and we fail to break the high, go break even for real. That's smart. I guess that. Double your stop loss though. And the re-break at the highest, you break even. Sounds like you have a good plan. Let's see how this can go close. Go close above. So like you have a good plan, bro. But you see these rejection we have to the left. Look to the left. We have a bunch of rejection right here. So which part price the right now? So price could reject and flip bearish. But you know have to like do that though. Like that's just like historical data. You see me? Price can do your own thing. We can literally break the highest, or we can reject. But you just have to be aware of the levels them what we have to the left. You see me? So we have them rejection here. We have another one right here, so another one right here, so. So we have another rejection right here, so again, which bar price almost top. Right there, so. So you just want to watch out for them, yeah. We have like couple over here, so again. One more right here, so. And as you can see, it's like every time price reach up here, so like top this level, then reject. We top right here, so again, and we reject. So I don't know. If we can get like a closure above the range, that probably would have confirmed, so we're not gonna reject. Can get like a closure above the range, and this hourly candle 39.37. But double your entry though, bro. Double your entry, no cap. One goal, re-break the highs so you can, you know, go risk free. And is that what? 1 to 3 or 1 to 2? Long time me a trading, bro. No joke. So you have to go like, bro, you have to go show me that. You have to go show me ropes, cause everybody I say, yo, why your stop loss so big, bro? Yo, why your stop loss so big, bro? I tell the man them say, yo, cause my stop step on break a structure. It's like most people just don't understand, bro. Most people feel like say me have a negative risk to reward just because me just like I try to be different or something, but I know nothing like that. You see, once you understand market structure, bro, it's like I always have my stop loss on breaker structure. You see me? And I don't feel like my stop loss them like that big. My stop loss is 250 pips on average. So on days when me have 180 pips stop loss, that not big to me, but people in my Instagram, yo, oh your stop loss so big, bro. Like dog. It's like you have to look upon it like from the perspective. Took entry off the fib level or the fib. I may hear about the fib before. Yeah, Moda changed my strategy. No, Moda did that. Moda never do that. Moda no, bro, Moda never do that. Moda just implement new things. You see me? Moda never change my strategy. Never ever, bro. But it's like some people that say like it's like Moda trade. It's like they feel like say in order to make trading work, you have to risk. You have to make more than a risk. But bro, that hold on, chat. What may I say? It's like in a for them brain, it's like when it comes down to trading, if you risk one, you have to make two. You see me? But you always have to be like that. You can literally miss. You can risk two to make one if you have a high win rate. You get what I say, chat? Like you not have to risk like one to make 10. You can risk 10 to make one if you have a 90% chance of winning. Think about it. Just think about it, bro. You see me? So it's like the win rate matter, bro. Even though me have a negative risk to reward, what are the chances of me losing the trade though? That matter, you see me? 9 times out of 10. I'm not saying 9 times because I have a win rate not that high, but majority of times chat is like me I go win before me lose. You see me? So when me win most of the time, when me finally lose, like I say if today Friday, me lose 200 pips. Me I go still up in a profit. You see me? So even if me take a big loss today, me I go still up. Cause me win so much, like my win rate high. So that's how me trade with a negative risk to reward. Yeah, that principle my follow still 1 to 3. Yeah, nothing wrong with that bro, cause that work. But it's just when other traders, it's like them that try like tell me say when me I do not work. No bro, just your mindset. You only know about what you know about. You see me? Like they only know about 1 to 2 and 1 to 3. But there's a different side to it, bro. What about the man when I do 1 to 2 and 1 to 3 and he risk 10 to make 1? Yeah, that sound bad, but ask the win rate though, like him probably have a high % chance of winning. So even though him a risk more, most likely him a go win. If you get what I try to say. And when him win, majority of the time, when he finally take a big loss, him are still up cause he win so much. You get what I try to say? If my win rate high, I'ma finally lose today, I go still up in a profit cause me been a win the whole week. You see me? If we take a win today, that gonna be a 2-week win streak. Just imagine that, bro. For 2 weeks, me not lose a trade. So it's like, bro, who cares if me take a L? If you see me with me 180 pip stop loss, I'ma lose. That don't even matter, bro. You see me chat, cause my win rate high. Many ways to trade. That is it, bro. That is it. That's how I try explain, bro. But most people don't look at it like that. They only think say, yo, if you risk one, you have to make two. That are them mindset. But many ways to trade, bro. Many ways. If you get what I said to a chat, once a win rate high enough, you can still be profitable, risking more. Bro, if me have $1 million, bro, and me would risk $1 million to make 500,000. If me have a high chance of winning, think about it. If you have $1 million, and me say, yo, risk your $1 million to make 500,000. But you have a 90% chance of winning. Bro, that's a deal, bro. That's a freaking deal. A 90% chance of winning. Yes, you're risking way more. But what, bro, you're most likely going to win. You get what I say? So most people, then just not think like that, though. That's like, regular people not think like that. I make 1,000 from 3 trade and the next man can make 5K from 1. Yeah, bro. Yeah, high probability. Yeah, bro, that I word. Once you have a high probability, bro, like once it's a high probability, that makes sense, bro. That makes sense every time that makes sense. But on the surface, it look rough on the surface. But when you look into it, it makes sense. You see it? Cause I understand why most people that look for my trading like it don't make sense, because just somebody have to explain it to you. It's like when I try to explain it right now, then it'll make like a little bit of sense to you. But if you just see it, if you just see a negative risk to reward, you're gonna be like, what the fuck? You see me? So that's why they always slide it on my DM. Man say, yo, bro, don't negativity, bro, but you need to change your risk to reward. But even text him back. If you text me, I text him back, bro. And it's not because me, I don't know because me I try like clone the dog thing or nothing. I just don't know what to say. Oh, you gotta tell me to change my risk to reward, no negativity. I don't think that's like, I don't think he might try to be negative, but bro, I don't even want to hear that. So, but even like say nothing, bro. Nah, change my, I never change my strategy, man. I feel like, I like this strategy chat. I like, this strategy that I use. Yeah, I was like, stop loss bigger than your TP here, bro. Yeah, stop loss bigger than TP chat. But as I say, if though I have a negative risk to reward, which means my stop loss bigger than my TP, the chance of me winning the trade is very high. So, yes, definitely me lose and I can still lose. But because I have a high win rate, I already win 20 trade before I lose 1. Or I already win 10 trade before I lose 1. So when I finally take a big loss, I'm still up. You see me? Kinda like some I lose chat. I lose sometime, bro. I have a 250 pip stop loss and that gets smacked. But guess what? We always come back. We always come back from the last them. Yeah, it take time. But over time we forward back. Exactly, bro. No, you explain it, I understand. High win rate, balance it out. Exactly, bro. That's correct. But most people, you have to explain it before people understand it. When somebody look at it, it just look wrong to their eyes. Like once they look at it, it's like that just look wrong to their eyes, bro. But once I explain it, then you understand. Yes, bro. Win rate matters. Win rate matters. Yeah, bro. Yeah, I have a low win rate. Yeah, yeah, but your big wins balance it out though. Exactly. So a pros and cons to everything, bro. If you have like something like this, if you have like a risk to reward like this, you probably have a low win rate, but when you do win, your wins balance it out. And you see how me can agree with that, but somebody is like, me not talk about you still, cause you get the point, but me I talk about like other traders. Where always a sliding and bro, if me show you in my DM every single day, somebody tell me that, bro, my risk to reward. And that's why I'm gonna text back, bro. I would have to answer that question every day. You see me? But yeah, trade like that go and get you like probably a low win rate, but you still can be profitable because once you win one time, just win one time and you're up. But the minor trade like this, it's like it's same thing but in the opposite, bro. It's same thing but in the opposite. So remember, you know, this year one you might lose more, but when you do win, you're good. You recover all your losses in a one single trade. But this one you might win more, but when you do lose, you lose big. But the thing is, you win more. You see me? So you can still be profitable if you win more. So say you win like 10 times. When you finally lose one time, you're still up in a profit. You see me? But that is it, chat. That is it. Me if I get no further into that. Cause it's like that I think, you know, they would have never fought on the stream. I remember explain it then just want to forward in on my DM, bro. That's why I leave a reply to them sometime. Cause I can't text out it. You see me? I can't text how it work. I would have to show you how it work on live. That's why I'm gonna reply to some of them, bro. Yeah, exactly. Exactly, bro. Me use it as rage bait, bro. That's why I hit on my thumbnail. If you look at my YouTube video thumbnail, that's the thumbnail. Even for my Instagram. From Instagram post, that are the thumbnail. You know that piss people off. I tell you, bro, I want that text me get about my wrist to reward, dog. Every single day. Every day. But you just have to pick your prices still. You see me? Pros and cons, bro. You want a high win rate and lose more and lose less, or you want a low win rate and win more. But me know say you up good, bro. You're small stop loss. Even if you lose 2 times, you just need 1 win and you're good. So your way of trading, me definitely agree with it. But it just messed up when people can't see like my side of it though. They only see for them side, you know. But we look good so far, chat. We fall down and now we are re-break the highs. So if we can get a closure above the range, you already know that go. Or this also a price I got this for, I can just open up to. Brother, if me that trade like you, me would almost win every trade because most of my trades go in profit before he's stopping me out. Exactly, bro. Yo, I definitely have a higher win rate for sure. But I'm glad you see both sides though. Cause me not talk about you, you know, you can see both sides. But other traders, you have some other traders we only see for them side, bro. At least you understand where me afford from. Even Siri me have to cook, bro. Even Siri I tell me say, yo, you cannot trade with a negative risk to reward. And it's like me I tell Siri say, Siri me disagree. You can trade with a negative risk to reward if you have a high win rate. Me I tell Siri say, Siri, you can risk 10 to make 1 if you have a 90% chance of winning and still be profitable in the long run. And then Siri agree with me. So it's like all the internet me have to teach, bro. The evil internet feel like say the only way for trade is a 1 to 2 or 1 to 3. You risk 1 and you make 10. Evil internet think like that. I have to teach Siri say, yo Siri, other ways for do things. You see me? Yeah, bro. I have to teach Siri say, yo Siri, other way for do things. Cause evil internet I tell me say, yo, when you trade, you have to risk 1 for make 2. I mean, I say a joke thing. But me have to educate Siri, you know. Cause Siri not smarter than me, you know. Me educate Siri, dog. Siri want to talk shit about my risk to reward. But then in a long run, she agree with me. She say, yo, trading is not only about like the risk to reward, the win rate matters as well. You see me? So in a long run, she get where me afford from. And I say, yes, Siri. So hopefully you never remember that. Any other trader asks you, keep that in your like your system. Don't remember that knowledge that when I just give you. Forever remember that. So right now, Siri probably remember that. How you trade as a hedge fund trade? Yeah. You know, I never know that, but that might be true. That might be true. I never know that though. Chat, the only time the negative risk to reward would have been bad if you have a 30% win rate, a 50% win rate. Then you cook. I feel bad for you. You see me? But if you have my win rate is 85%. And I can calculate it per stream. And I know only for the last 2 weeks, my win rate is 100%. But in a fair, for count 2 weeks worth of trade. This is just such a small sample size. But this I think I have journal from January 2024. So it's like me have a lot of trades. Me have a lot of trades so I can base it off of. Look all right, so I'll take 3 trades. Me take 3 L back of one another. And I still was able to recover, dog. So it's like when me count up, when me check up the chat, my win rate overall at 85%. And as I say, me leave like count like just the last 2 weeks, enough fear for like your last 2 weeks. That's like such a small numbers of trade, so you can't really use this to determine your win rate. But me can definitely say, yo, my win rate in the last 2 weeks is 100%. But overall, my win rate at 85% overall.
This is an Etsy holiday ad, but you won't hear any sleigh bells or classic
Yeah, me know that though. Then definitely move market. When them money nothing on my friend. When them enter market, move. I don't lie. But me always wonder how much money do that. Cause bro, $1 million can't move a market in a dog. And 2 million, even think 10 million can move a market. I'm not even sure. I even if it do move it, just a small push. Like when we get them big massive push the dog, you know how much money that, bro? And then a joke money put make you can go and push far, dog. Me always wonder how much money exactly like push, like if gold for hit all-time highs right now, how much money that cost a hedge fund or somebody where I try to do that, where I try push up price. Probably billions or trillions. I don't even know that. Just a guess. Billions. Yeah. Probably. Nice trade though, bro. Nice trade. I look for some up here so though. I see if I can get some entry. I adjust my levels, them chat. And chew me a yap, I still a focus. Still a focus. 5 minutes left. Within 5 minutes, look, yeah, we can definitely look for tech buys above 407. Within 5 minutes, if we manage to close above the range, me need for this structure though, chat. Me need for this structure. May I move this yellow line and may I put it down, may I put it right here, so. Because if you look left, in the past, see where price the right now. If you look left, it's like in the past, price stop this level and then we push up. You can see we forward right here, so we forward close and then we push up. So if me I take buys above here, so I need to see some type of rejection to at least this level line. This yellow line, at least this yellow line, chat. And if we can tap this yellow line, push back up above and close above the highs for the second time, then we look for buys go up. Then we look for buys go up towards so the next resistance, which is right here, so here's my chat. So yeah, so we need some lows get print and buys above 4,006. That's like the idea we have right now. And if we forget entry, we'll look for buys go up towards so I'm measure the range. Yeah. Yeah, chat. I know earlier I said we did go up to so but when we look left, you see we have them rejections here to the left. So I'll adjust this yellow line just right down some more and then rejection there. Because I know one price forward close to my TP and then reject because of then levels over here, so I adjust this yellow line down some more. Like right here, so. Alright, that's a good. Put this. Right, that's so. Alright, so yeah. That's my idea for buys now. Now we have buys idea. Now we have idea for buys. So you see like how we are push back down? Good. See if we can manage to push back down. Okay, price up, sealer. Price up, push up. And then we push up and we tap the level. And after we tap the level, we reject. You see if we reject chat and then we push back up and close back above the level, then we look for buys. And you could have just called this right here, so could have called this right here, so a higher low. You see me? So but we'll see if price can manage for reject car what. But that would have be the idea behind the buys. You see me? Now would have like structure and the way up. Higher lows. So we'll see if this can be a higher low or if we're going to close back below the range. If it is a higher low, then you already know we'll look for buys above. Once we close back above. But then do then trade both directions at the same time. Trade. Wait. Hold on, I never know anything at all. And trade both positions. I try to figure out how that work. Send the market down, then head in the opposite direction. Yeah, there are news to me, bro. A news this to me. Never know that. But that I think, you know, it's like you not have to know that for trade. Cause you know me not trade with fundamental chat. Me no use fundamental for trading. I just trade technical analysis me use. Yeah. What do you call it? Fundamental analysis? Like what going in a economy? Some people that study economy and use that trade, like the knowledge what they have about that. But me not do that. Me just use like technical analysis. Or we candles them print. But that interesting. Buy and sell. Them buy and sell in the same direction. Them trade both directions at the same time. Open, buy and sell position, swing trades and chart. Yeah, fundamentals. Yeah, that's the right word. Hey, that's interesting though. I know open, buy and sell position at the what? Both swings. Oh no, me know what you're trying to say. Buy and sell position at both swings. So you mean like you swing high and swing low? Cause me I say what you mean like. Oh no, me know. Cause I see that on the gram. People that mark up like swing high and swing low. Oh. I mean, I wonder where I talk about swing. Like, I mean swing. I see that before, man. And call it swing high and swing low. So chat we print a high and we get whoa, a rejection that come out of nowhere. Rejection that fall out of nowhere, but that good. Hey bro, you're probably out of this trade by now, right? Or you probably break even. Hopefully you break even, bro. Or you're out in profit. But chat, everything look good same way. Go look good same way, bro. I drive down, we now go FOMO. We're still in our range. Or they can go flip, that look good. Or they can go print a high and then we flip bearish. So remember I have ideas on the rebreak of the lows chat. So if that will happen, I would say we are put it down further. Me say chat, me I put it down further from the rebreak of the lows. But this I think. Remember we said with instead of take sales on the rebreak of the lows, we look for sales below 39.60, 39.86. But this are the thing, chat. Since we print a high, since we followed up and we print a high all the way up here, so print a steep top wick. Now we sales on the rebreak of the lows can definitely like be valid. You see me? Cause we have like a huge top wick. This could be liquidity for push down and break the local minor range them where we're having at the middle. Because we have some minor resistance. No, we have minor support level in at the middle. You see me chat? So let me see if we can get some entries. Would I need some rejection? What is 20 minutes? Would I need some rejection chat after a closure below the range? You see me? Would I look if we can get a range fill? This is like a 40 pip range. And remember I said we need a closure below the range first. So I'm not looking for no entries just yet. We have 2 minutes left until it can go close. I'm gonna say break even would be at. I'm gonna find break even chat. Break even, if we forget entries, break even would that be at hold on. Nice. Break even would be at 39.89, 39.89.67. That would have been my break even area. 39.89.67 chat. That would have been break even. Break even. If we forget activated in our cells. I'm gonna delete this a yellow line here and put one and put this right there. Put this right there. I wish family have this again. Hold on, bro. Me a laps. Oh, right, yes, sir. Put back this right there, sir. Alright, chat. So, cells below. Me would I look for cells below 91. If we push down and we tap 89, that would have be break even for me. And after we break even, this would have be like TP right here, so 39.86. So nice. Price I reject because we're going to need structure if we're going to take cells though. We're going to need like structure. So like if I reject, that good, bro. So it's like no price basically get a chance for flip bullish. You see me? Price get a chance for flip bullish. If it fail for flip bullish and push back down, then you know that would even be better. We just now have like structure, aka lower highs coming down. And this is 30-minute time frame in a chat, but it's still like it a reject. You would go up on a 5 minute and a 1 minute, you would go up on a lower time frame for see the lower highs them, you see me? So this is the 30-minute, you go only see a rejection go up. Alright, I'm gonna focus. I'm gonna go up on MT5 chat, cause we might get an entry soon. If we can get a closure below the range and another top wick. Alright, MT5 active. Alright chat, remember you know, a closure below the range chat. It a fall down and it just a top. We not get no closure below yet. And once we get a closure below chat, I'm gonna show you. Once we get a closure below, can get a closure below. So look, we close. So if we get a closure below this yellow line chat, I want to see just a top wick. I want to see price push up first and print a top wick chat. And would probably take some weak entry cells. Or put sell stop and they can go flip. You see me? But the next can go after we close below. If we get a closure below, the next can go open up, push up first, and then flip back bearish. And you know. But this how me I talk about the top wick. We're going to need a top wick retest at least this level right as a chat. So this would be like a break and retest. You see me? So yeah, closure below and a little mini top wick retest this level right as so. Hopefully that not too confusing. I'm a thing a lag. Hold on, bro. Medieval focus on the chat, on chat. I try to see what going for the entries them. But it look like we not get no entries chat. We can't complain cause look, we didn't even get a closure below. So if we not getting a closure below, price just drop and fill the range. We can't ball. You see me? For me idea or my entry, we never get no entry confirmation. So yeah, with the range fill, the trade play out, but we just not get no entry confirmation. That good still, you see me? We never did close below the range, we just drop. We never close below a yellow line. Obviously we close below a structure, right? Yes, sir. You see me? But when that happen, all me do, me just mark up some new levels, chat. So I'm gonna do that real quick. Hold on, bro. I'm soon start look back on it. Soon start look back on the chat. I'm gonna try to see what I'm going on goal. And try some markups on new levels. A goal and move right now. As it should. Remember we still got range below. This is how much by the way. This is a 50 pip range going down, 46 to be exact. Move now. We could have do something like so. Boom. We could have wait for your top work right here, so. Yes, sir. I'll wait for your closure below. Yes, sir. Break even. If we forget entry chat, if we forget activated in our cells below, mother look for go break even once we tap 39. Let me see. 39.84. And make sure. Yeah, see 39.84 right as is a rejection level chat. So once we tap this, so we could go break even. Alright. So can we get a small mini top wick? Would I enter up on a weak entry cells chat? A weak entry sells would that be good. Tap this level. Push back up. Yeah, a weak entry sells would that be good. If we not get that, then we look for entry pan candle flip. So what we need right now is a closure below the range. As you can see, we're not getting a closure below the range. As you this yellow line we have right here, so sorry. This yellow line we have right here, so once you get a closure below this yellow line, chat another little top wick push up and you see me top. We look for weak entry cells right here, so or if we not take no weak entry cells, we wait until the candle flip back bearish and we enter upon the candle flip. You see me if we go straight down. And as I say, range going down is a 50 pip range. So that would be bad. No, 46. Fix that. Alright, chat, we're still not getting a closure below yet. If gold just drop, as I say, we can't afford much. Once we not get an entry confirmation. Don't still do like trade late on Friday. Yeah, bro. You can call it a day, man. The trade, the buys earlier was clean. You can call it a day, bro. Alright, chat. We get a closure below the range. Nice. Can we get a top wick? And chat, would I look for put sells on this candle flip? Would I put sell stop at 39.86.41? That would have been my sell stop. Alright, but I'm play sell stop now. So I play sell stop 39.86.41. Alright, chat. So chat, sell stop on this minute candle flip, chat. If this minute candle flip back bearish, if you see me, chat, we're gonna get activated. Once this minute candle flip bearish, chat, TP gonna be right here, so break even gonna be right there, so let me see what stop loss I gonna be. I measure this. At what 218. Hold on, chat. Stop loss one day high. Alright, chat, yeah. So if this can go flip bearish, chat. If this 5 minute can go flip bearish, would I get activated in a sales position. Once it can go flip. And my stop loss gonna be on the breaker structure. And you might see me adjust, you might see me manage risk. You might see me manage risk depends on how the candle and print, chat. So it look like we're about to get activated, chat. Can this candle flip bearish? And the bearish flip would have be activated, stops on breaker structure and everything. We're not activated yet, chat. Can we flip bearish? We have 2 minutes left. I have 2 minutes left, chat. I must have a higher time frame, say. Over 17 minutes. 17 minutes until that close. So chat, we are re-break the highs. Me not gonna delete sell stop as yet. Me I just move this. But me still have sell stop, chat. Me still have sell stop on the 5 minute candle flip. Me have sell stop at 39.86.38. I put one red line there. So me can remember say yo, me have sell stop right here, so. Alright, chat, right there, so I'm sell stop. Feeler. Well, and chat, give me like 2 seconds, me I forward back chat. And as I said, I still got sell stop right, so I go delete them once if we start get closures back above the range. So right now we're bullish, but we're not close back above the range as yet. If the 15 start to close back above you see me, then we're going to delete sell stop. But we are waiting so we're going. Like 2 seconds, me I forward. Alright, chat, I'm there back. Laugh out loud, now gonna lie, stop loss aggravating. Mumbo clap, made out my friend look on it. Bro, that's true. You see? I'm not gonna disagree with you when you speak facts. That's true. Look at this. This look painful, bro. Let me find it. Oh, I delete it. I'm not gonna lie, bro. It look painful, bro. But it look painful to the eyes. You see me? I want me to have sell stop. I have sell stop right as a sealer. I have sell stop right as a child. Yeah, it look painful, bro. I can't cap. It look painful. Definitely look painful to like somebody who not even trade like this. You see me? If it even trade like this, that definitely look painful. But let me give you like the idea behind the stops though. Cause there's an idea behind it and I just did it for no reason. You see me? Alright, look on structure. Let me hide them. Look on structure chat. So yo, say if we forget activated in our cells, hold on, I'm gonna use the other one. If we forget activated in our cells, right, as a chart, you see me? Where you would expect, if price will break this level, where you would expect price drive down towards the next support level? I get idea behind my stop loss, you know. So the next support level would be right as you see me. So that are the idea behind my TP. We just expect a range fill. You see me chat? I can't go fill the range. That are the idea behind it. I can't even draw a straight candle. So idea behind a TP chat is just a range fill like this. But the idea behind the stop loss, think about it. If we enter sales, right, yes sir, and we're wrong and price I go push back up, at which point you think the trade invalid? If price up, yes sir, you can't say the trade invalid because look left, we have rejection, right, yes sir? Even if price push further, look left, we have rejection, right, yes sir? Last time price push up to right, yes sir, we reject or we push straight back down. Same thing happen right, yes sir, we reject. We have 2 levels over right, yes sir, where price kinda there right now. Last time price forward up to right, yes sir, we reject. Price forward up right, yes sir, we reject. You see me? So, I can't put my stops right, yes sir, because the trade's still valid. You see me, bro? That's not break a structure. Trade's still valid right, yes sir. But if me I gotta be real, if price push up and break these highs, and after we break these highs, we close above the range, cause we still have rejection right as a two, you know. You see me, we still have rejection right as a. So if price close above the range, Muda say trade get invalid once we break this high, chat. Once we break this high right as a. Once we break this high right as a. Why? Because that are the high we drive we down. You see me? If price would have continue further, you would expect this. This should be liquidity like to push price down. But if that's not the case and price push back up and break this high, then we're probably gone. You see me? If price break this high right here, so then we're probably gone. So that are the idea behind a stops. The stops is like break a structure. Once we break this high, this are the high where I keep price down right now. So if we push up and break that high, no reason for me to be in at the trade same way. So that's why I'm stops the right there. So my stops the way trade completely invalid. Once the high right as I get break chart, now the sells, any sells we have below here so invalid. We now breaking highs. You see me? Breaking structure. So yeah, that idea behind I stops. It look tough, but as I say, man, I would do it just because I have a reason why I'm do it. A logical one too. You see me? I'm gonna move this chat. Cause when I get activated yet. But as I'm saying, I delete sell stop once we if we start to get closures above. If you see me, if we start to get closures above, then we delete sell stop. But for right now, wait. Yeah. If I look on something chat. Yeah, may I say yeah. If we forget like first half we get heavy bullish closure back above the range, then we delete sell stop. But as I say, even though price push up and we tap this level, the sell stop right here so it not invalid as yet, even though price are reject. And I'm just showing why, cause we have levels to the left. We have levels to the left where price did push up to and reject from in the past. So that's why I'm not delete sell stop yet, cause we can still get activated. But man, show in the chat, as I'm saying, it's just all about structure. You see me? Everything about it's just about structure. Once we have structure, because of structure, me not delete sell stop right now. I still say we have structure. Price just appearing structure and we can still fall back down. And which part my stop loss there? I place my stop loss there so because of structure. Which part my TP there? Because of structure, chat. Everything have to be structured, you know. So chat, look like we're about to get activated, chat. As I'm say, I have sell stop right here, so. Right on your red line at 39. I'm telling you the exact level where I have sell stop. I think I activated now, chat. 3986.35. I just get activated and I sells just now when this can go push down. As I'm said, chat, I put my stop loss on the high, the break of the structure, the TP would have the right so. And break even would be at 3984.28, not 28.29. So yeah, that are the trade chart. Okay, we in a drawdown now. The cells still play what? The cells still playing even on my strategy. Or like you have the same idea for cells and you use like with your strategy. I get what you try to say. But yeah, chat, this I trade I got into. We in a sun drawdown right now. If price for break the highs, chat. If price for break the highs, then that would have be it. You see me? This hour. I'm missing my stop loss at how much? 200. My stop loss is a 210 pip stop loss, chat. So if we lose a trade, that'll be 210 pips. So you go. Would I just fall back tomorrow and do the same thing? You see me? Once I take a trade like according to plan, then everything good. Cause this a trade that was according to plan. That's all me aim for, you see me? Once I follow my plan, everything good. This a Jordan, yeah, how much by the way? So Jordan, yeah, 54 pips. We now 54 pips drawdown to the rebreak of the highs. That's like a 80 pip drawdown. If we rebreak the highs, but yeah. 5 minutes until the 15 close, chat. Can we get a bullish closure on the 15? If we get any type of bullish closure on the 15, that would have been good. In a 5 minutes. So I'm gonna see. Or I could just pop straight back up and rebreak the highs. We have 5 minutes left. And we'll see how this 15 can go close in 5 minutes. If we get a bearish closure upon the candle, we're good. If we close bullish back above the range, then yeah, we're probably going to need a steeper high. Or we're probably going to even push up and re-break the highs. And upon the re-break of the upon the break of the structure highs, chat, that would have been my stop loss. Four minutes left. I just want this can go stay bearish, as it make if we flip bullish in the last 4 minutes, GG's and chat. Don't feel like I'm not manage risk, and I do manage risk, chat. Like surprise if you do something like this. So this 15-minute candle, even though my stop loss there right here, so a lot of time I adjust my stop loss lower. A lot of time you say I put my stop loss lower to like a candle high or a candle flip. But before I do that, would have to print structure. You see me? So for example, say this 4 hour candle, chat. So we flip bullish in 4 minutes. You see me? That would have look rough. What me would I do? You see if the next 30-minute candle open up, print a top wick, tap this level, and after we tap this level, you can go actually flip back bearish. Hold on. If we push up, tap this level, and you can go flip back bearish, chat. You could have seen me put my stop loss on the high, like something like this. Yeah, I see me adjust my stop loss on the high, cause why? If price we push up and re-break this high right here, so the next level is my stop loss. So instead of just get my full stops hit, yeah, that's see me adjust my stops to the re-break of the current candle high. You see me? So it's like sometimes I do move my stop loss. It just depends on how price print. And if price not print nothing, if price not give me no like level, if we not get no structure or nothing where I can move my stops, then I leave my full stops there. I leave everything right there. Everything right way there. Cause even if we hit full stops without adjusting nothing, we're still good, bro. You see me? We can still recover from that. We have 2 minutes left. Look like we're gonna flip. No way. I may not believe this 15 can go flip in 2 minutes. It can though. It definitely can. But I would expect that. I would expect a bearish closure on the 15. No, not on the 15. The 30-minute candle. Sorry. This 30-minute candle without a top wick. I would expect a bearish closure. how much of your capital you risk on a trade. I risk anywhere from 1 to 2%. Anywhere from 1 to 2%. But like on average. Drawdown Thursday and drawdown Friday, bro. You know what? After stream, may I watch back my stream them. May I watch Wednesday and may I watch Friday. And may I see like what's similar within them two drawdown days there. Cause remember we have drawdown on Wednesday. A Wednesday, yeah. Wednesday we have a 75 pip drawdown within a drawdown. And today we have drawdown again. This hour, this probably bigger than Wednesday drawdown. No, with 75 pips in drawdown right now. So may I watch it? May I watch back my two stream them and see like when we can adjust chat. Cause sometimes when you're going a drawdown, probably like a drawdown trade them have something in common. You know? So I just watch back my stream them and see when we can adjust. But chat, the trade still valid. That's why I'm still in it. If a trade never valid, mode exit. The reason why I'm say trade still valid, yeah, we in a drawdown, we get some rejection, we're probably going to push higher. But even though we're probably going to get a steep or top wick chat, we still got levels where we could reject from. We close below it right here, so we got levels like at 39, 30, 39, 48 or 4,000 levels. We have this to the left, we have them rejection here to the left. Price could literally push up towards them highs over here, so, and then reject and flip back bearish on this candle. Like this candle, this current candle push up, tap the levels and flip back bearish. That could happen. So like there's a lot of things where could happen. So it's like the trade not completely invalid. You see me? If a trade did invalid, would jump out. And even if we break these highs, we still got more highs going up. Like 4,000 level right so. So I would say chat. I would say if price I go tap the level and then flip back bearish. Or if we are gonna break the levels and close above. Or I can go flip. Nice me. 0.5 to 1%. Oh yeah, 0.5 to 1%. That good. Especially with your trading style. So we're printing a high chat. As I'm say, definitely would expect some more drawdown. Cause even if this candle go flip back bearish chat, we're gonna need a top wick first. So would expect some more drawdown, you see me? But we'll see if we can flip back bearish or if the candle go just close above the range and print a fake out after we print a low right here, so. After we print a low right here, so. Nothing else not really in my control still, you see me? Once we enter a trade, we just have to stick to a plan. Win, lose, or draw, bro. I see him to myself on Wednesday stream. Win, lose, or draw. We just have to follow a plan. Follow a plan right through. Wait, hold on. Chat, my stop loss leave it the way it's supposed to be, bro. My stop loss for the on a high. this can go high, right? So stop loss for the on the 4 hour can go highs. Cause remember I'm telling you, if this 4 hour can go re-break its highs, then me out. My stop loss did just in a mid like range look a while. Let me see this how much. Yeah, this is a 210 pips stop loss. 210 pips. Where I can go flip now. Let me put this back. Hold on, chat. Let me see this exact level. Adjust this over some more. I want to see the exact level where my stop loss there. No, this hour. Oh yeah. 4007.89. I place my stop loss now, chat pan like the 4 I can go highs. Stop loss at 4007. 4007.89. 89. Alright, chat, so I'm just place my stop loss on the 4 I can go re-break at the highs. Now I'm just type in a MT5. So chat, as I say chat, we have rejection on the way going up, chat. So can we like reject from any one of levels them where we have to the left? Remember we have a bunch of rejection levels to the left, so may I see if we can, even though we're not draw down, price could reject from any one of level them and flip back bearish. You see me? And also price could literally print like push up and print lower highs. You see me, chat? And smack stop loss. So but we can't really do nothing. All we can do is follow a plan. You see me? And if me I go be honest, two things can happen. We can either print lower highs or we can flip bearish, reject from the levels there where we have to the left and flip bearish. Anything happen, we good do a chat, as I'm say. Regardless of outcome. This hourly candle never flip. I don't think this hourly candle did flip yet. Yeah, this hourly candle never flip. We are struggle for flip. Later though, bro, going on the road. Alright, bro, respect, bro. Respect for tuning into the stream, bro. Annihilates. Stay safe on the road, bro. And say a word, man. Jaro and sour. re-break the highs. If we re-break the highs, we could expect like a steeper week. But I'm not sure. Let me measure this and see this hour. So we're going at like 130 pip drawdown. And now we're in a 70 pip drawdown right now. So as I'm saying, chat, we just have like just a stick to your plan, you see me? Drawdown not really phase me, bro. Drawdown. Whether we in a drawdown, whether we hit stop loss or whether we win a trade, I just say go. We just fall back the next day and do the same thing over again. But I go watch over what Wednesday stream. Definitely have to watch that over back. Cause I know like there have to be like something like similar a guan. Yeah, hopefully me not plug out that. Wednesday me get like an entry around the same level. And with the going on some drawdown, or no, I think I did some buys. And with the going on some drawdown, and I say, yo, I go like watch it over back and see what the difference. I see what the difference. Or what's similar in a then two drawdown trade there. So me can know if it adjust or when me can implement or when me can start wait pan. I go my sample size then 2 days with. Yo chat, give me like 2 seconds chat, me afford. Me afford chat, give me 2 seconds. Alright, chat, my day back. So I just gone. We're re-breaking the lows. 10 seconds left. Can we get a closure below? This how much? Still in our. We in a like 40 pip drawdown right now. 40 pips. So alright, so it's 100 and this was 130 pip. At the peak, the drawdown was 130 pips. Oh, see chat. 4 I can go. Oh, I can go flip back bearish. 4 I can go forward back down. This 4 I can go re-break it slow. So that would be good. But before that, would I need closure below the range and more top wick. So yeah, I don't know chat. We need closure below the range. You know, you see me? We need closure below the range. Or we can't say nothing. You see me? We still in a drawdown. Can't go no close. We need not above. I just say above the range. We need closure below the range. Well, I'm frost. Most frost dog. We need some closure below the range shot like. You see me? If we can get some closure below the range, that would be good. If this 1 5 minute can go break the highs them, bro, that would be crazy dog. No way. Bro, if this 1 5 minute can go push 100 pips and break the highs, I swear. But we get a closure respecting this 15 minute can go open up. We're printing a high. We can print a high, flip bearish and re-break its lows. Then we would expect a drive down further. If we can re-break this 15 low, we would expect a push down further, chat. So we'll see. As I'm saying, I already in a trade, I can't do nothing like but just stick to a plan. You see me? If the plan work out, then GG's. If it don't work out, GG's. We just forward back Monday and do the same thing over again. Whether we win, lose, or draw. You see me, chat? But yeah. Let me see. So we print the higher right, so have this up as an X. If we re-break there, all they can go highs. Alright chat, so we'll just see la. We'll just wait and see what got him, bro. Nothing we can do right now. We need some closures though. So much. Like a close in a minute. 5 minute can go have a minute left. This 15 minute can go more. See, like if this 15 can break its lows, this 15 minute can go break it the current lows. That would be decent. I will just wait and see. Why pray, my dog? Monster millionaire in our chat. Jado, we in a one of my friend. We in a like, I think we in a 132 pips drawdown, but now we in a 30 pip drawdown right now. You see me? I see if gold can give me some closure below the range. Nice, we're re-breaking the lows chat and we did push a little further, you see? Nice, but now we need closures though. If we can get closures, that would be decent. 40 seconds left. We're coming from a 130 pip drawdown, my dog. And as I'm tell you, chat, you might see me manage this. Me I make you know, like whatever me I do, me I make you know. It just depends on price print. Yo man, say everything good, bro. Where they on? I can bring in luck to his stream, bro. As soon as I pop out on his stream, go start move. Man, say a closure. We got 8 minutes to check. We got 8 minutes until this 15 can close. So for the week, yeah, chat, we have draw down 2 days for the week, yeah. I think Monday we have 0 drawdown. Tuesday we have 0 drawdown. And Wednesday we have about 75. Yeah. Yeah, Wednesday we have 75 pip drawdown. Thursday 0 drawdown. Friday we get I think it was 130 pip drawdown at its highest. So 2 drawdown for the week. 2 drawdown trade. I say go still, you see me? I can't control drawdown, bro. Once I like follow my plan and we execute a trade, I just stick to a plan and wait and see what gonna happen. You see me? If we go in a drawdown, I say go. Yeah, who that? No, bro. Which one you want? Hold on on this. Use that. Use that one there, bro. What must say? Chat, you see if this can go forward up back chat, this hourly can go. You see if we re-break the hourly eyes again chat, you might see my managers. You see this yellow line I put right here so on the current hourly can go highs. Yeah. If gold go drive down, me not say why we would have to push back up and re-break the hourly can go highs. You see my chat. So it's like if price for just a push up and just re-break the hourly can go highs after we fail to get a closure below, you see my managers on the hourly can go highs. You see my chat. I will after we tap this level right as well. But we're not gonna see what I mean by that if that for happen. Now I'm not sure what I mean by. But we just go and be patient, you see me? Draw down for days. This hour right, so it's a 40 pip TP, 40 pip, yeah. Let me see something on the daily time frame. Okay, So chat, you know we could have even extend TP if we fall back down. You see if we fall back down, like look on the daily time frame, this daily candle, cause we enter right yesterday, you see me. So if price for push back down towards the entry and we fall down and we hit like TP, we tap like 39.82. Like you could like move your TP from right here so and put it down towards the daily candle flip. Cause since we print such a steep top wick and in a drawdown right now, if this can go for flip back bearish and we push back down below this level, we are gonna definitely flip out on the daily time frame because we have structure. You see me? We have structure and we have highs for flip out the daily candle. So if that will happen, yeah, that see me extend my TP from like right as towards right as on the daily candle flip. You see me? Something like this. Cause this would be just the next range. We have clean range going down towards this. But we'll see how price print though. We're not calling nothing too early. I'm so going. We'll try for reject close doji from the previous candle. We have 3 minutes on this 5. So I'm gonna see how this 5 are gonna close. Also, I look on something to the left. Let me see. Same place we get the highs. Yeah. So it's like we get rejection in the chat, but we're not getting a closure below the range. Price just a reject. That's what I say. I watch and see if this hourly candle I go re-break its highs. You see me? And you might see my manager respond like the highs if we start to get closure above the highest chart. Yeah, so my manager is. I'll try to push down a couple times. But it's like we just fail to close below the range as you can see. Push up, we'll print the high and we'll fall back down close towards the entry. And instead of we close below, we fall back up again. So I'll wait and see if this is just a lower high or if it is a higher low for we push up higher. And break this high right here, so. See you love, should we move that? This high right here, so I talk about chat. This high right here, so. We have a level right here, so to a price reject from a fall back down. So we'll see if this are gonna be like, we call this a higher low, cause we have a low right here, so we have a low right here, so. or if it gonna be like a high full push back down. When I have too much drawing on the chart, it might get confusing for me. Like, I'm gonna take them off. Melanie Dark still a stream. Like your dog not get nothing yet. It's all it can go. Let me see. Not the only chat. 30-minute candle we close doji. We close doji. Respecting. So basically that means we're probably going to get some more drawdown. You see me? Because this 30-minute candle, this current 30-minute candle going to need a top wick. And if this 30-minute candle going to need a top wick, that are basically more drawdown. You see me chat? But I expect this 30-minute candle for flip bullish and push out. You see me? So yeah, bro. Would I expect some more drawdown chat, but I'm still in our trade. You see me? I mean, if this 30-minute candle just want to push straight down, if it just want to push straight down to an entry and smack TP, that would have been good. But me, like, if me go be logical, would I expect this can go for flip bullish and print a high. You see me? It would even be better if they just push up first before we flip bearish. We'll flip bearish first, we'll push down first. So we'll just wait and see. When me get sealer, when me get activated in that trader, it's our time 9:30. So I mean I trade like an hour now. So I draw down trade then go still. They gonna draw down for days. Remember, yeah, I didn't even like me. I tell them, remember me take a trade one at a time, bro. A days me na draw down for. That did around January 2024 then time there. Remember me take a buy on gold. A days, I think about 2 days me na draw down for straight. And me the end up still winning trade, I swear to God. Me the end up still winning trade after 2 days of draw down. That I swear, bro. That's the longest me ever go in a drawdown. 2 days, bro. And bear in mind, and a swing trade, me a swing trade. I scalp a market. So for me, then I drawdown for 2 days. That's the longest me ever go in a drawdown for. Remember one time Danvo in a drawdown, a sleepy dog go sleep with the stream on. Sometimes I drawdown then last long. Cause right now chat is in this trade for already an hour now. And we still in a drawdown. 10:35. Yeah, this most likely gonna be my one and only trade for the day chat. After this, I not take nothing more. Whatever the outcome, I just journal it and then just journal the outcome and then we call it a day and fall back Monday, is it? But it's 30-minute candle printer high. Yo, move now. So as I'm say that you would expect that, you see me, I would expect this 30-minute candle for printer high. If we can manage to flip back bearish and re-break it slow as, then we would definitely be able to push back down towards the entry area again. And after I reach down this out, then we'll see if we can get like a closure below the range. So we'll see if this 30-minute candle can re-break it slow as after we print a top wick. We have a closure in a 6 minutes chat. We have to go wait 6 minutes before we get a closure. If we can get a closure below the range, then that's good. We have to go wait though, cause I'm not sure. Once we get a closure, then we can say yeah. You see me? Not only a closure back below the range. But for right now, we're still in a drawdown. Still in a drawdown for right now. Sour, by the way. Like a 40 pip drawdown. And as I said, chat, if price fail for push down, chat, if we try it multiple times and we fail, and we push back up and re-break the all it can go highs, you gotta see my managers. But for right now, we just play a waiting game, you see me? Enter a trade, but we just stick to a plan. Alright, chat. We're almost back at break even. After 130 pip drawdown, bro. After 130 pip drawdown. Almost back at break even. But this I think we're not getting a closure below the range yet, chat. And a goal this, bro. Goal have a dirty habit for just flip back bullish in at the last minute, bro. A goal dirty habit that, you see me? Bro, I swear. I just goal style that. So it's like, me like to wait for a closure. You see, when we get a closure, then me say, yeah. But we're not close below the range yet. We just a push down below it. You see me? I want to see if we can get a closure below it. We have 3 minutes left until this 15 can go close. We have 2 minutes left, chat. As I'm saying, may I say if we can get a closure below within 2 minutes. Or if this can't like I just reject. If we get a closure below, then we're good. We'd just expect another top week. After another top week, once that can go flip, we should be able to push down, pass with entry and go in a profit. And this I'm a break even level, chat. If price for like close below and we push down, we tap this level, would go risk free. And this our level, would look for close full. But we have a minute left, a minute and 40 seconds. So see how this 15 can go close. Closure below would be ideal though. Alright, chat. So we're back at break even, chat. Yeah. We have 10 seconds left until we get a closure. So can we get a closure below? No. Most likely we are gonna get a closure below. We have 10 seconds left. 39. Alright, chat. So we get a closure below. Nice. So now, as I'm say, after we get a closure below, you would expect another top week. And after we get another top week, once this can go flip, we should be able to like back in profit after 130 pip drawdown, chat. 130 pip drawdown. 34, no, 39.84 chat would be like break even level. If we can top 39.84, would have go risk free. Adjust this. So chat, we now flip bearish, so good. Can we tap 39.84? Once we tap that level, chat, risk free. Alright, chat, this is a break even trade, chat. This is a break even trade. We tap we break even area, so my risk free the position. You see me, chat. So can we survive break even? Or we gonna hit break even? Which one? Alright, chat, break even got hit. Break even got hit, bro. Just like Wednesday. We're going a drawdown. That was 130 pip drawdown. We tap with break even level. We go break even, and then we get it can go flip back bullish, and we get stop out at break even. And now watch gold drive straight down. Just watch, bro. If gold ever plays me like that, dog. But yeah, child, that was a break even trade, you see me? What time? 10:47. I'm gonna be here until 11, chat. I'm gonna be here until 11. You see me? But let me journal that trade there real quick. We take this trade at 9:52. 9:52 we enter and I trade. I think it was a sell stop on the candle flip, the 5-minute candle flip, and we max drawdown was 130 pips, and we hit break even after price push back in our direction, and this was my break even level, chat. So once we tap this level, my risk free the trade, and then price flip back bullish and we start for push up. So I'm just edit that in my journal. After I put that in my journal, we're going there till go there till 11. If we don't get nothing else, then I call it a day. Yes, I'm just call it a break even day. Take this 9:52. But chat, bro, you see them drawdown trade there, them teacher most, bro. See how we go in a drawdown, but even though we did in a drawdown, my levels then still get tapped. We enter market right, so hold on. We think enter market right, so chat. We enter market right, so instant drawdown, 130 pips drawdown. But even though we go in a drawdown, gold still do the right thing. Would I expect we tap this level before we get some type of reaction? You see me? So go in a drawdown, we survive that, we push down and we tap 39.84. And once we tap 39.84, then gold start to push up. And 39.84 was my break even area anyways. So yeah, no, gold makes sense. Like gold makes sense. Like the way price a move, but if you understand market structure and everything, everything makes sense, bro. So that's why when me in a draw down chat, me not really worry, bro. Once I follow my plan, once you execute like the right trades, bro, and you follow your plan, you just not have to worry. You see me? Hold on, bro. Is that this now work? Yeah, so we take that 952. That was an entry of a goal. I think it was on sales after the Kango flip, the 5-minute Kango flip. I think it was a breakout. It was a breakout. I don't know why I must keep on. I say me think when I me a trade. Military sister it was a breakout with a try get. After a 5-minute time frame, we hit break even again. Man, them can edit it. Hold on, check. I fill out this. I fill out the journal. Then we look and see if we can get another entry. If not, by 11 o'clock or 11:30, I just lift up. I'll fall back Monday. Let me just leave that for right now, bro. Me leave like I'll figure that out right now. Yeah, break even. We hit break even. No, this trade chart, as I say, we're going at 100 and how much? 130 pip drawdown. Cause this right here, so chat, this a row right here, so I'm a max drawdown, you see me? So these are the highest drawdown I'm going at. This was 109 per Monday. Last week Monday, we're going at 109 drawdown. And today Friday we're going at 130. So finally top that. But we still hit break even though. We never have no pineapple. I start take some pineapple. If we take pineapple, we could have easily end off this trade in a profit chart. If we take a second entry, price still push way back down. So we could have easily end off the drawdown trade in a profit. If we take a pineapple entry. You see me? As price end up push straight back down. We would have be able to close off both trades in profit if we get a second entry. But a Sega still, we never get none of Sega. Yeah, 0. Say a chat. Even though we break even 2 times, we win 3 trades for a week, 2 break even. We're still up 164 pips for this week. So that's not bad. Not bad, bro. I build a total over here, so chat. I build another total right here up on my journal to calculate everything combined. Like you see how I make 217 pips last week, and this week I make 164. Like I build like a new total to calculate everything. So it's like I like calculate how much pips I make for like all time. But yeah, chat, I was a break even trade, as I say. So I don't know, I'm there until 11. You see me? If by 11 o'clock we don't get nothing, I call it a day. Chat. In the next 5 minutes. But that's what I'm saying, chat. Once you understand market structure, bro, the drawdown now go face you. Cause even though me in 100 pip drawdown, even though me enter right here, so and price push back up, it's like I just stick to a plan because me have a level right here, so I'm gonna expect price top before we reject. You see me? Price forward close, but price never completely top the level. So it's like before price push up and break this structure right here, so Mother expect we tap this level or even fill the range. You see me? That was the plan going into the trade. And when we enter the trade right, so we're going to draw down. And we just stick to the plan and what happen. Price forward straight back down. On top the level where it's supposed to tap. What did I expect it to tap? And then it start to push back up. So we hit break even on this a trader. So yeah, we just follow a plan to a T and it still work out even though going a 130 pip drawdown. That's how happen when you follow your plan, chat. You see me? We still push down for top the level where we did expect to get top. But as I say, you just have to understand market structure. Some level in a market is like them level they're supposed to get top before price do certain things. You see me? So if me have my stop loss from breaker structure, me not expect price for like if me if enter right here so chat. If me if enter right here so I right here somebody enter, me not expect price for just push up back and break structure. Why? Because we need liquidity before price break structure. You see me chat? So you see like how we fall back down now. Yeah, this right here so. Well I'm sure that it's like how we fall back down this right here so. A re-break of these lows right here so. This could be liquidity now chat. To push price up. It could be. You see me, but when we enter in a trade, as I'm say, you never see price just push straight up, so it'll print lows before it drive up and break structure. So that's why I'm stop still up on a rebreaker structure, chat. If you wonder why my stop loss so big, that's why, because my stop loss up on breaker structure. Even though I'm enter in a market, the trade, and even though I'm enter in a market right here, so we're in a 130 pip drawdown. The trade not invalid as yet because we now break structure. The market structure not shift bullish yet. And what happened, we still push straight back down towards we break even area. We push back, this how much? Not even break even, like we push back down in profit, and then once we tap 39.84, we go break even. Let me see that though. That was what? That was like 23 pips, 22 pips in profit. And then we hit break even. I even like I said, I should have just closed full car. Shoulda, woulda, coulda, bro. I just follow the plan and I say go. But yeah, chat. Still a double a day, bro. Still a double a day. You see me? You know what I call it? I call it, chat. I call it right so. Me fall back on Monday. This I stats for week, as I say. So this week total, we end up this week with 164 pips. We take 5 trade fee week, 3 wins and 2 break even. You see me chat? Yeah. So this is a W week. So I create one another piece right here so for next week chat. You see me for Monday when I forward back live. We know I see one next piece right here so. So we are gonna journal for next week, but this is another W week, bro, and all of them trade I take on live, bro. All of them take on live. Go watch back my stream them, I see every single trade. We take all of them live, bro. So yeah, bro. Last week we end up the even better though. Last week we make 217 pips in total, right? So last week we take 6 trade last week though. Take 6 trades last week, win 6 of them, and we end off last week with 217, and this week we end off this week with 164. So chat, when I chase goal, I live where I clock now, and when I get nothing else, so I just call it a day. You see me? We still up, still a good week. You see me chat? So when I have to chase goal, bro, I just call it a day. Me soon on Monday, live, 8 o'clock, same time, same place. You see me? But that is it for your week, bro. Yeah, so I end stream and I fill out like the rest of journal, like I build like a new piece on there so I can start for Monday morning, you see me? But that is it for right now, chat. Just drop a like on your stream on your way out, you see me? And respect for that. No joke.